this world is moving really fast, right? Like last year when I was walking on the conference floor and talking to people about transformers, a lot of them didn't even know what I was talking about. And then there was ChatGPT. So what I would like to do is talk about transformers in the use for vision, embedded vision. So first I would like to give you a little idea on why it's so surprising and extremely interesting that transformers took off in vision. I'll try to go a little bit deeper and explain you exactly the internals on how transformers work. I will zoom into how it's actually applied in vision applications. And then finally, I would like to explain a few thoughts on why I believe you should care and why these transformers are going to stay us for a while in embedded vision. This whole AI revolution started like slightly more than a decade ago with AlexNet winning the ImageNet competition with a huge margin using convolutional neural networks. And these convolutional neural networks were used for the ImageNet competition, which was essentially classifying images. And if you would give it an image like that, it would tell you, well, that's a car somewhere. And since that decade, there was a tremendous amount of effort in kind of evolving these convolutional neural networks. There was big companies like Facebook, Google, obviously, and Facebook investing a lot in this, and many universities across the world improving these convolutional neural networks, and that actually led to smaller, more accurate, and more efficient convolutional neural networks. Of course, image classification is not a very interesting problem by itself. It's very difficult to imagine a real application using it, maybe birds classification or something like that in your binoculars. But all the vision applications are often built on top of it. Like, for example, the object detection networks had a similar kind of a series of improvements, all based on convolutional neural networks. Semantic segmentation, kind of analyzing the whole scene and for every kind of pixel determining what it actually belongs to, had a similar evolution. And then eventually we ended up with like panoptic segmentation, where you were not only kind of detecting the semantics of every pixel, but also assigning it to a specific instance. So every car would be recognized as a different object.